and Super event. This is our Let's Make an Action Figure virtual to go pack, and you can register for it online. And also make sure you check our calendar for other Black and Super events. We have a lot of really great stuff happening. And if you guys register for a kit, what you'll get in the kit is you'll get paint, you'll get an action figure for you to design, you'll get some clay so that you can add structural elements to your action figure, you'll get some toothpicks so that you can make designs, you'll get a paintbrush. So it's everything you need to make your own action figure. And I am going to attempt to, I printed out a design that I want to kind of work off of. That's optional. You can make a totally original character if you want. The sky is the limit. So I am attempting Black Panther, and I've got my clay here. So I'm going to start with that, because what you want to do first is you want to add your design elements with the clay. And for the most part, I picked kind of an easy one because I wanted to do Black Panther. So looking at him, I don't think I need to add too much, just some ears, and the rest I should be able to do with just the paint. So I'm gonna try and add some ears on here. With the clay, you want to kind of work the clay a little bit so that it gets nice and malleable. And I wanted to get it kind of soft. And then I wonder if I'm better off, I could just do 2 separate ears. Let's see how that looks. So when you're working with clay, a couple tips are, if you're sticking clay to another piece of clay, I really recommend taking your toothpick and scoring it before you stick it on the other piece of clay, so that they're not meeting at a totally flat surface, so that they're meeting at an uneven surface, because that'll give them more attachment points, so it'll stay better. The nice thing about these is they've already got kind of like a texture to them, so it should help the clay stick. If you have any trouble, you could always make the elements, and if they fall off, you can glue them on afterwards. I am going to attach my other ear. It seems to attach pretty well. It seems pretty secure right here. As it dries, that may not be the case, so you may need to go back and reattach it with glue. Or what you could do is you could make like a whole face for him. So I've got my ears. Looks pretty sweet. And I've got a lot of clay here, so if I were doing something more complicated, or if I wanted to add maybe like a tail or something like that, I could do that with the extra clay. And then once you have all of the design elements on there that you want, you can go right into painting him. And so you should have the 4 primary colors in black and white in your kit. And if you guys don't know, you can make lots of different colors with just the 4 primary colors in black and white. So if you want a different color, say if you want purple, you could get a little paper plate or a bowl or something, and you can mix some red and some blue and make purple, and then you'll have purple. So you have a lot of, your imagination is the limit, so you can make whatever colors you want. I recommend thinking about what you want to make beforehand, so you can have all of your colors ready. And if you guys are ready, actually I'm gonna add a couple elements more to him. I'm gonna add his necklace. Let's see if I can do that. It looks tough. So I'm gonna roll it out. And if you roll it, you can make it kind of into like a snake. All right, so this is how you roll out a snake. had fun painting this action figure with me, and I bet you guys will do a much better job than I did. I definitely recommend waiting for your paint to dry before you add more paint on. That I was a little impatient, so I suffered for that. And I hope you guys will share with us your creations on social media. We'd really love to see what you came up with. And I hope we see you at more of our Black and Super events, and I hope you guys had fun. Thanks.